Alright, so I am so excited. We are about to unbox these new awesome Justice League cars, from Caltex. So these are very, very easy to get. All you have to do for every like 500 peso receipt, you can get these wonderful cars each for only 250 pesos. But if you have a Robinson's Rewards card, for 80 points, you can get them for like 150 extra, just add cash. But for 200 points, you get them, that's it. It's a full thing, you can get them for free. Alright, so here they are, go check it out. These are the Justice League collectible cars from Caltex. Don't forget to gas up at Caltex and enjoy. Collect them all. Don't miss out. You're going to love these. Amazing!